thought prepositions were easy. There's 8 types? What? Well, today we are learning the 8 types of prepositions. Prepositions are connecting words that give information to sentences. Position expresses time, place, movement, manner, agent, measure, source, and possessions. Preposition expressing time at 8 a.m. on March 21st in 2022. Oh, there's more. Before our trip, during the holidays, after our hottest summer. So in this sentence, the cup is on the kitchen table. The cup is in the kitchen table. The cup is at the kitchen table. If you said the cup is on the kitchen table, you are correct. Preposition of place. In this sentence, he went down the park with the dog, to the park with the dog, or over the park with the dog. Super. If you said to the park. Let's read it. He went to the park with the dog. Sounds really good. Preposition of movement. In this sentence, the children go to school by the bus, in the bus, like the bus, with the bus, on the bus. If you said on the bus, good job. The children go to school on the bus. Preposition of manner. Let's review. Preposition expresses time, which we use at, and other ones place. We use on. Movement we use to, and manner we also use on. Let's keep on going. The house was constructed by Asher or with Asher. Which one is it? If you said by Asher, you are correct. Let's read. The house was constructed by Asher. Preposition of agent. Okay, next. Andrew bought a pound by tomato or of tomato. Super duper. If you said of tomato, let's read. Andrew bought a pound of tomatoes. Preposition of measure. I like this one. Lucy receives a gift by Santa or from Santa. If you said from Santa, you're correct. Lucy received a gift from Santa. Preposition of source. Our last sentence. I saw a girl of a red dress, with a red dress, or to a red dress. Hooray! You got it. With a red dress. I saw a girl with a red dress. Preposition of possession. So let's review the next 4. Preposition expresses agent, which we use by. Measure we use of. Source we use from. Possession we use with. Great job, my friends! Great job! Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Goodbye for now.